Hello guys, welcome to the Workaround Graduates. My name is Tabu if you're new to this channel. So in this channel, I'll talk about ways to make money full-time and part-time. So guys, in this video, I'll be talking about how to trade NFP. So if you're whether beginner or advanced and stuff like that, this should be able to help you. So most people usually get confused and don't know how to trade NFP, but it's actually one of the easiest and one of the best ways to actually make money with Forex trading. Okay, so in this video, I'll be unfolding and showing you everything that you need to know. I'll be giving you only 3 steps that you need to follow to be able to trade NFP. Okay, so remember, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you do enjoy the video, the content, don't forget to smash that like button. All right, as always, let's get with the intro and then let's get started. So welcome back, guys. As I said, I will be talking about how to trade NFP. Okay, so let me first talk about what NFP is. So NFP is basically when there's release of obviously one of the biggest news in the world, which is the USA employment rate and stuff like that. So it generally affects a huge part of the market. So most traders are usually there to cash in on those big volatile moves that can make them huge amount of money. Okay, so it's just basically calculating how much the economy is going to be like. So in terms of jobs and unemployment and stuff like that. So you want to obviously capitalize on when it moves a lot. As I've always talked about, that news are actually good to make money with because you can make sharp moves and make money quick and you're out. All right, so let's get started with first step of how to trade NFP. Let's go. Okay, so the steps are basically going to be, the first step is you're going to choose your pair, what you're going to trade. Okay, so it's normally because you're going to be trading NFP, you're going to be looking at USD pairs. So any pair that has a USD, you can choose which one it is. Okay, so you would choose, for example, GBP USD. You can choose that, or you can choose something like USD JPY or USD CHF, anything that has a USD, and then you can trade. Okay, so I want you want to focus on that chart alone, so that you can get the maximum amount of profits. Okay, so just focus on that one move. Okay, set. And then the second step, guys, is to make sure your volume is big. Okay, this is one of the things that most people get confused about. Okay, so depending obviously on your account, you don't want to over leverage too much. Okay, but make sure you have increase the volume somewhat. Okay, so normally if you have a let's say a $1,000 account, so normally you'd be trading with 0.1. That's about 1% of your account. But when it's NFP, you'd obviously maybe increase that, times it by maybe 5 or 10. Okay, so maybe you'll be trading it at 1. A size will be 1 instead of 0.1, or your size will be 0.5. The third step is basically going to be only staying a maximum of 2 minutes in the pair. Okay, so the news are going to be released, and simply it's going to be going, and then highest 2 minutes and you're out. Okay, some people normally I do 1 minute, okay, and then I'm out. Okay, so because the news can go down a lot, it can go a little bit and then go quickly up. Okay, so you just want to be in and out. Okay, so we're going to look at the charts and show you how this actually plays in. So the first step you're going to do, as I said, you're going to choose a pair. Let's go. So guys, this is our pair. For example, it has to have USD. Okay, so if you can see here, just put it like properly. So okay, so as you can see, we're just going to wait. So assuming let's say it's Friday for just example. Okay, so if this was Friday here, as you can see here, we'd wait for either news or push. Let's push up like this, or it'll push right down. Normally it does a wick and then come back. Okay, so you're just going to wait. So at this point, okay, and you're literally going to wait for the market. Okay, that's the main thing you need to be careful of. Most people want to put like things before. Remember, this is NFP. Anything can happen. It can go like right up before you, when you even put your orders. So don't try not to put your pending orders for NFP. Okay, so I'm just showing you what works for me, guys. Okay, so you wait for that. So yeah, so now you're gonna go to your calendar. Okay, so let's say the news are coming out at 3:30. So you're gonna obviously choose your pair at 3 o'clock. Okay, so and then you know, and then we're gonna go to the news to actually check. Okay, so guys, you're gonna come to forexfactory.com. Just obviously at that time at 3. Okay, so you still have 30 minutes to check. So what you're gonna be obviously looking at is where the news are going to. So if the USD, the US dollar, goes strong, it means, so any pair that has a USD as a base, if a USD is strong, then it's going to push up. Okay, so the news, that's the news saying the USD is strong. Okay, however, if the USD is weak, the pair that has a base with the USD, which means, when I mean base, I mean the USD is in front. Okay, that means, so for USD chef, we're gonna be buying. So if the USD is strong, but if USD is weak, we're gonna sell USD chef. Okay, that's simply how it is. Okay, so guys, if you look here, as you can see, it says NFP, so it's on the 6th of August, 2021. As I said, look at USD, check if it's strong or weak. Okay, so if you look here, at this point, you're simply gonna look at the forecast. And so previously, so if you look at USD previously, they say the way X, it was this, but the forecast is thought to decrease in terms of the earnings, but then, so it means if it, obviously they were expecting it to be weak because the earnings were, they were expecting the earnings of people in the USA to be lower. However, it went, same, which means it's positive. So you see, this is showing USD is quite positive. Okay, so if you're trading USD as a base, meaning USD is in front, like USD JPY, USD chef, that means it's positive, it's buying. So if you look here, when it comes to the employment change, so the employment in the country, they're expecting it to go lower, but it actually went up. So you see it, meaning the economy is stronger, USD. Again, it's valid. These two are validating that it's positive. USD is positive. Okay. And then this one, this is unemployment rate. They're expecting unemployment to go down to this point. Okay, which means obviously it's positive because obviously we don't want high unemployment, but it actually went down even more. So USD is strong. So you're going to be buying USD on this particular time. So the 6th of August. So once it released, you check. So you go back to the charts somewhere. Let's check the time. So the time was, depending on your country, okay? So here it was obviously 2:30 for this time. So you check here. So it waits. Once you see the result at, so like 2:15, you're waiting, and then it's a nice buy. Okay, so you see it went right up. So from here it went shot up. I would have gone in, but out. Okay, So with NFP, we just in and out to make quick cash and stuff. Normally we don't really hold, but we just in and out. Okay. So there are other examples where it just goes like this, exactly like this. You take, for example, if USD was weak, it goes down quickly, and then you can't hold. It goes back up in loss if you didn't take a profit. So this was just a good one, which it doesn't usually go up like this. Okay, sometimes we just want, but yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Just go in. Once it's there, it's showing positive. You look at that. The news telling us that. And then the next thing that you look at, of course, as I said, is your volume. You increase your volume at least 10%. And then just 1-2 minutes, you're out. So obviously it would have been 1/2 here. Let me just look at, so if it was here, this one went, yeah, it would have made quite money in 2 minutes, 1 minute, quick, and you're out. Okay, so, and it's quite a big move. Okay, so that's simply how it is. And then if it is GBP USD, meaning USD is on the other side, that means you're going to be selling GBP USD. It's simple as that. Just look at if your base currency is strong, you buy, which is USD for NFP, and if it's weak, you sell. Simple as that. I hope it actually explained that for you guys. And yeah, but it's just as that. So there are other people who trade it differently, or like wait, like already before there's NFP, they already have orders, and others do another method. It just depends on your method. This is a method that works for me. Okay, I go in and out quick, and then I'm done. So guys, I hope you did enjoy the video, and then I hope it did give you value, and I hope you can be able to trade NFP on your time and stuff like that. Yeah, but yeah, other than that, I hope you still keep winning and make money. All right, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And also, if you have any comments, I will welcome any comments to answer any questions you might have when it comes to this particular topic. Other than that, guys, see you on my next video, guys. Cheers. Let's keep winning.
Smoke still clouds this fleeting high that we're drowning in.